first year and second year baccalaureate students, good afternoon. Our video today is going to show you how to write a good paragraph. That is, what is the best strategy that you as student need to follow in order to write a good paragraph. First of all, we need to make it clear that there are a number of types of paragraphs, and this means that the paragraphs are not the same. They are totally different. For example, we may find a paragraph by listing, a cause and effect paragraph, a descriptive paragraph. But today, we are going to see a paragraph by listing. And dear students, before you even do anything, we should know what is a paragraph by listing. This is the first question we need to answer. A paragraph by listing is written when you want to list a number of things, such as reasons, advantages of something, disadvantages of something, etc. Here, the listing means you list a number of reasons, from the first one to the second, to the third, to the fourth, etc. This is the meaning of a paragraph by listing. Before you write the paragraph, there are a number of things that you should do before. One of these things, you need to have a draft by your side. Before you even touch the paper, for example, of the exam, you need to have a draft, الوسخ. And think about and brainstorm ideas about the topic. What do we mean by this word brainstorm and also think about ideas of the topic? Means here you are going to think about any idea that has a relationship with the topic you are going to write a paragraph on. When you brainstorm like this, you are going to write ideas in a form of dashes. And you list as many ideas as you wish. There is no problem. You can list, for example, 10, 7 ideas, 8, whatever. Here the number doesn't matter. It's not important. What is important is what you are going to do next. You should decide on the ones you think they are relevant to the topic. You may list an idea and it's not relevant to the topic, so you are going to discard it. You are going to omit that idea and start looking for another one that is relevant. And the last thing you should do, order your ideas in the order of importance. You should know that the ideas, they have, let's say, a degree of importance. This one, for example, is important 100%. You should put it in the first line, for example. After you brainstorm, you should know how the paragraph is organized. How the paragraph is organized, you should write a topic sentence. What do we mean by the topic sentence? This sentence opens and introduces your topic to the reader. It means that the reader has the right to know what will you talk about later in the coming sentences of that paragraph. After writing the topic sentence, you are going to write supporting sentences. These sentences, they have the mission of supporting the topic sentence that you stated before. And here you can find the explanation here in front of you and on the screen that the supporting sentences provide more details on what the writer spoke about earlier in the topic sentence. To assure this, linking words are going to help you sequence those ideas that you are going to write as supporting sentences. But here I would like to ask the question, what is the importance of the linking words? The linking words, as a matter of fact, are very important in any paragraph because they support not only the topic sentence, but they support also the supporting sentences themselves, because it makes it easy for you as a writer to make a transition from one idea to another. After you write the supporting sentences as you wish, 6, 7, 8, and you link them by linking words, you are going to write a concluding sentence. Here the writer, or you as students, you are going to close the paragraph. You open the paragraph by a topic sentence, and now it's time to close it with a concluding sentence. And here the explanation says the writer closes the paragraph by rewriting what was written in the topic sentence differently. This means, dear student, that what you wrote before in the topic sentence, you are going to repeat it or to rewrite it, but differently. Different words, and also maybe a number of words that are different, but you need to write the topic sentence differently. This is the concluding sentence. In sequencing, we need linking words. But what type of linking words that we need? We need the type that is called sequencing linking words. Means, for example, we need firstly. Here we have the choice, either first or firstly. You use one of them. Secondly or second. In addition to that. Moreover. Furthermore. In other words, for example, for instance, that is, to sum up, to conclude, and in brief, they are different from the ones above. And I will tell you how are they different. In sequencing, imagine that I'm speaking about a topic, for example, let's say the importance of the English language. The teacher may ask you this question: what is the importance of the English language, for example, in nowadays world? And you are going to say as a student, English is so important for the following reasons. Full stop. This is your topic sentence. And you are going to say first or firstly, and you give your teacher your first idea. When you finish with your first idea, you are going to use the second linking word, which is secondly, as you can see here on the screen. And here there is a secret here. If you want to write the linking word, the first letter should be capitalized. Okay, it should be a capital letter. And at the end of the linking word, you should use a comma. And one of the secrets that we give to our students is that you should not complicate things on yourself. You write simple sentences: subject, verb, object. Don't complicate things on yourself. As a matter of fact, when you finish all, let's say, the reasons of why the English language is so important, you can give examples. You can use, for example, to give an example of an idea you stated before. When you want to conclude, now the importance of the linking word to sum up, to conclude in brief. Here you use them when you write the concluding sentence to restate what you spoke about before. I have here another sample for you, dear students. The question here says, what are the advantages of the internet? Here I highlighted the word advantages and I made it in a bold type for you so that you can understand that it is 100% a paragraph by listing. And here the advantage means the paragraph is going to list all the advantages of the internet, starting from the first advantage to the second, to the third, to the fourth, the fifth, till the end. And here, as I said before, you can write as many advantages as you wish, but you just need to respect the space provided in the national exam. Now here is let's say you are going to write your first draft, but how are you going to write it? You see here there is a space here before the topic sentence. You need to indent the topic. You need to indent your topic a little bit. Means the topic sentence is not like the other lines. It is indented a little bit. And here I gave you, let's say, a kind of help in writing the topic sentence. I said there are so many advantages of the internet. Firstly, comma, you give an idea. Secondly, another idea. In addition, till the end. Okay, this is it for our first video concerning writing. Thank you very much.